In this video, we will discuss about how to become an IAS, IPS or IFS. IAS stands for Indian Administrative Service, IPS stands for Indian Police Service, and IFOS or IFS stands for Indian Forest Service. These three services are called as All India Services in our India. To become IAS, IPS or IFS, the common exam is Union Public Service Commission UPSC. This exam is conducted by the central government of India. These all services comes under the Central Services of India, civil services. And not only these three services, there are so many services like this in the Union Public Service Commission. To become IAS, IPS or IFS, we have to clear the UPSC exam, UPSC CSC, UPSC Civil Service Examination. So in this examination, there are three stages. Stage 1, UPSC preliminary exam, stage 2 UPSC mains exam, stage 3 personality test or interview. The UPSC preliminary examination is of objective type and UPSC mains examination is of written test, and third one interview or personality test. Now let's see the syllabus of this UPSC examination. So in first stage UPSC preliminary examination syllabus, in this general studies paper 1, the syllabus is current events, nothing but current affairs, history of India and Indian national movement, Indian and world geography, Indian polity and governance, economic and social development, environmental ecology, biodiversity and climate change, and general science. This is the general studies paper 1 syllabus. Now general studies paper 2 or CSAT. In preliminary examination there are two papers. First paper is general studies paper 1, second paper is general studies paper 2. The syllabus of this paper 2 is comprehension, interpersonal skills including communication skills, logical reasoning and analytical ability, decision making and problem solving, general mental ability, basic numeracy up to class 10th level, and also data interpretation up to class 10th level. Now syllabus of the UPSC mains examination. In this paper A, compulsory one Indian language except English. So except English, how many languages are there in India? Among them we have to choose one language and we have to attempt the question paper in that language only. The paper is for 300 marks. Next, in this paper B, it will be in the English language. So it also consists of 300 marks. Next, paper 1, essay. It consists of 250 marks. There will be a question on essay. We have to write it for 250 marks. After that, paper 2, general studies 1. In this, Indian heritage and culture, history and geography of the world and society. This is the syllabus of general studies 1 in paper 2. The paper is for 250 marks. Next, paper 3, general studies 2. In this, governance, constitution, welfare initiatives, social justice and international relations. This is the syllabus of general studies 2 in the paper 3. This paper is also for 250 marks. Next paper, general studies 3. In this, technology, economic development, agriculture, biodiversity, security and disaster management. This is the syllabus of paper 4 in general studies 3. This paper is also for 250 marks. Next, paper 5, general studies 4. In this, ethics, integrity and aptitude. This is the syllabus of general studies 4 and paper 5. This paper is also for 250 marks. Next, paper 6, optional subject. We have to take one optional subject with our interest, then we have to attempt it. In that optional subject, paper 1, it is for 250 marks. Next, paper 7, optional subject. In this paper 2, that optional subject consists of two papers. Paper 6 is paper 1 and paper 7 is paper 2. This is also for 250 marks. So this is the entire syllabus of the prelims and mains. The overall total marks of the mains examination is 750. After clearing the mains examination, there will be a personality test or interview, stage 3 of the UPSC examination. The personality test or interview will be for 275 marks. After qualifying for interview, after clearing this interview, then one of the service will be allocated for the aspirants. So if you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.